you whisper something happy in my ear to make me disappear. I am so tired of seeing love go back to what it was.
What, you want to turn down some more?
Turn something right.
All right, all right.
And growing, have you ever tried growing it via aquaponics?
I grew it hydro in a deep water culture.
Okay.
And it's easy. I mean, you just gotta watch your pH, your pH and your electrical, you know, and your EC, and making sure that your plants are taking the proper nutrients. How do you treat it?
Some of the time.
Mm-hmm.
They grew in the tree.
Grew in the tree.
So does the road go all the way through it?
Yeah. Road to,
So this is it right here?
This is start of.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's 40 acres.
It's 40 acres. See, go right down and go right down the side. See all those trees there? They planted those trees with Brenda. They cut she cut all the timber.
Mm-hmm.
Then they planted it back in pine trees.
So these won't be ready to cut for how many years?
10 years, 15 years.
About anywhere from 10 to 15 more. Because see how small they are?
Yeah. So I am seeing the land that my mother left me. It's actually, believe it or not, my first time seeing it. I knew of its existence, but it was not until I became an adult and began to appreciate the value of land, especially black-owned land. So my uncle is bringing me over here so we can take a look at it. Yeah.
I'm gonna hop the gate.
I'm
can't go through the barbed wire.
I'm putting this on here. I'm gonna go over the gate too. I'm back. Catch me.
We're over the gate. Yeah, why don't you have your tennis shoes on?
Look at all these plums. So this is perfect with the sun exposure, and runs off into a drop off right there. This is actually perfect for a future site of Green Heifer Farms. And I am just so grateful that my grandparents invested in land. And although I had no idea that I would one day go into farming, I'm very grateful right now. I'm very grateful. And I know my mom is smiling down from heaven that her daughter Clorinda, the one that she probably thought would be least likely to go into farming or anything like that, is now all about growing things and the planet and the environment. And yeah, this is magical, you know. And I can't wait until my grandkids and my great-grandkids and my great-great-grandkids are walking land that they've received from me, that has been passed down from generation to generation. So unlike some families who are able to brag about, you know, oh, this land has been in our family 6, 7 generations, because that's when it was taken from its original owners, I am proud to say that this land, I'm the 3rd generation owner of this land, and my children will be the 4th generation, and my grandchildren who are here are the 5th generation, and their children will be the 6th generation. You have to start somewhere. That's what's important. Get it and start it. Even if you inherited nothing, you can be the beginning of a legacy.
I ain't been far.
You ain't went too far.
No.
Wow,
You
so
got it.
that, yeah, I got it. Where my uncle was born.
Me and Ted.
Oh, you and Ted?
Yeah.
Now, Mama was born in Camden, right?
Your mom was born in Selma.
Oh, Selma. Oh,
Yeah,
see how much I know.
All
Alright. Whoa.
All right.
Ready for me to cook.
Mother, hope.
This is my cousin, Michael, my granddaddy. This is my grandma. And this is my mother. They put that thing up there. I wrote a poem at her funeral. Do you remember that poem I did for my mom's funeral?
Yeah.
I spoke at Michael's too.
Yeah.
I read the
Grandma.
obituary. That's something else I can say. I inherited from my mama. Because you know mama could talk.
And your uncle.
My Uncle Ted. I did. Funny. And the love of fire.
If weed coming up, it'd be easy. When I cut that down, they'll die. But that
Rabbit tobacco. I have to look that up. And they would smoke it?
yeah, people used to get that and call themselves rolling cigarette with that stuff. You know, that was back in the old days.
This is my great grandma.
Is that what she got?
She would be my great grandma. Bird, and what was the D for? Dumas. Do they pronounce it Dumas or Dumas? Dumas.
That's where all the Dumases come
And that's how we're related to the Tom Joyner.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hey, they got. All right, we here in Thomasville, Dirt Cheap, right? So,
Thomasville, Alabama.
Thomasville, Alabama. So Dirt Cheap got these are the animals.
You can't even tell
I
it.
didn't make it. And here's why.
Toy rejects, y'all.
see,
It's a
Tracy,
store full of
You see
rejects.
this nice,
Look. Sweet little unicorn with the sad eyes.
Well, who thought this was a good idea? The killer unicorn.
Man,
No
fuck a
wonder
kid up.
No wonder.
This didn't make it. Ooh. Can you imagine the kids that actually
They would be
receive that?
traumatized. Ha. Oh, sweet eyes. Ha.
That
In
only in Dirt Cheap.
Dirt Cheap.
Thomasville,
Here's a
Alabama.
game for you guys.
You got crabs. Oh my God.
Oh, hold on, babe. Hold on. Show 'em my newest addition, babe.
What's
My
that?
newest addition to the family, babe.
Oh, yes.
Like,
Look
who
what Malcolm got.
thought
Yeah.
that this was a cute and cuddly figure to make it to a Star Wars.
Turn him around
a
for my
stuffed
camera.
animal. A stuffed animal.
He is
I
getting the
love
stuff-
my Lord Vader. Oh, I love you.
Darky.
Kill the younglings. I love my Lord Vader. Like, I'm gonna get Lord Vader, right? Who makes a stuffed animal out of Lord Vader?
Because people like you exist.
Exactly.
So I am at the courthouse in Camden, Alabama, which is the county seat of Wilcox County. So I have not been in this particular part of the county in over 20 years, even maybe longer than that. I'm not sure. And so it's interesting to see the changes and to also see the things that have remained consistent. But I am on hold. I'm about to take a work call. One of the beautiful things about being able to work from anywhere is that while I'm here handling business, I am also handling business. Oops, our call started. All right, check in with you later. We are at Moundville Archaeological Park in Moundville, Alabama. I came here for many a school field trip when we lived in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And so I know my husband is a history buff. So we are gonna come in.
Moundville was mostly abandoned. Even so, bits and pieces of the Mississippian culture survived until historic times. Here at Moundville is the best preserved record of an incredible culture that thrived 1,000 years ago.
Video? The mounds of the Alabama mound builders, part of the Mississippian culture. That's the Big Chief mound. We're gonna ride around. That was the council mound, according to, and this is the chief mound.
Yep. She said the hut's closed, but we can still climb up there.
That'd be our PT for the day.
Asher, do you want to get out and go up the Native American mound? Oh, we're here. Okay. And then we're gonna go see the Black Warrior River, the bluffs. Are you joining us? You gotta get acclimated to being away. He said you gotta get acclimated to being away. My son. Hey, Chief. You going home? You headed home? Going to the house real quick? I know it better not be no dishes up there when I get there. That's what I know. Come on, little Chief. Time to go home.
What?
Your room better be clean when we get upstairs.
Huh?
Don't let us go upstairs and your room ain't clean.
Do we even have enough stairs? I feel like this is the one-story deal.
No, we gotta go upstairs. Look at those stairs.
Oh God.
I haven't been to the gym since we've been on this trip, so this has to count. Stair climbing. Yes. All right, babe. Odors.
Why my phone ain't working?
I don't know, but I know. You ready?
No.
It's just a couple of,
That's fine.
it's just 5, 10, 200 steps. It's no biggie. It's nothing compared to Puerto Rico. Remember? And you remember the sun in Puerto Rico? Now, when I was little, this was almost insurmountable. All right, but I'm feeling it though. All right, hold on. Well, you go ahead, You know? Get it, Asher. Go. Top of the world. Top of the world. How are you taking pictures of us? And I'm trying to get video of you. My thighs feel it. Ah. All right. It says closed right now due to some vandalism. And they used to have caskets open with real remains, but they had to close them. Let's see, breathing out hard. So this is the hut. The mounds you see here were built in a very orderly arrangement over the course of about 100 years.
It's a long time.
It's definitely a long time. Okay. All right, babe.
I'm going to the truck. I'm not dealing with that.
We on top of the world, man.
Going to the truck, Asher?
I used to live in a penthouse.
I ain't doing that.
used to live here, man.
Look at the fire over there. This is the Black Warrior River.
Wow.
And these are the bluffs. It's quiet right now. And it's always, in most places, it's this murky kind of color.
Yeah.
So, in Alabama, you have your Alabama River, you have your Black Warrior River, the ones I remember, your Tombigbee. Your grandma Brenda actually used to work for the Corps of Engineers, and she worked at the dam at the Tombigbee. So I used to go to work with her every now and then, and I could see the dam go up and down, or open and close. It was pretty cool.
Awesome, awesome.
Artisans.
Bit dusty.
Well, I imagine. Probably was dusty. Look at the thatched roof. Gourds. Making something pottery. They're very well known. You didn't see the video we watched before we came over here, but they were known for their artistry and their pottery. Okay. What was in that one? Okay. We went to artisans. Burials. Oh. Went down with a good meal. That's a different way to have a repast. Now instead of burying them with the food, we just eat it.
That's true.
Okay. Grandma back there saying a word or two. That's burials and the other one's artisans.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm going in on the back side. Food from the river. Look how brown they are. They are brown. They have curly hair, straight hair, full lips, broad noses. Yep. Don't y'all believe that everybody food from the river. Okay. Come on, babe. They're not interested in you.
Just flew straight into my face.
He just trying to say, yo, you got some nectar, yo.
Oh.
You smelling like cornbread. Come up in here playing.
I'm going to punch a bee.
You better not. Oh, basket weaving. Oh, and they were known also, the Mississippians were known for tattoos. Southeastern Indian river cane was one of the most important plants. Baskets, matting, arrows, fish traps, blowguns, and many other items were fashioned from cane.
Will you whisper something happy in my ear? Just a sedative to make me disappear.